Good morning, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about NEET PG 2021 important one-liners. This is part 25th. When blood pressure preserved, saturation improved a little, but patient is very distressed. Increase respiratory rate. Treatment is by IV diamorphine. IV diamorphine. When diamorphine fail, then we go for intubation. When history of IHD, blood pressure 103/60, pulse 125 and atrial fibrillation, treatment is by digoxin. Why digoxin? Why not bisoprolol? And why not beta blocker? Why not amiodarone? Because it causes severe decrease in blood pressure also. That's why digoxin. When CHF, chronic congestive heart failure, NIHA second to fourth with systolic dysfunction, heart rate more than 70, treatment is by ivabradine. NICE guidelines on acute coronary syndrome management is by fondaparinux. When he plan for angiography within 24 hours, then low molecular weight heparin is the best. Otherwise, the fondaparinux is a good. Okay. Heart failure due to left ventricular dysfunction, no fluid overload. Treatment is by bisoprolol and carvedilol. Whereas heart failure due to left ventricular dysfunction with fluid overload, treatment is by diuretics, furosemide. Spironolactone side effect causes gynecomastia. When spironolactone is intolerated, treatment is by eplerenone. For example, patient on spironolactone, it develops gynecomastia. Then post-MI patient, stop spironolactone and start with eplerenone. Okay. Endocarditis, IV drug abusers, cause is by Staphylococcus aureus. The cause is mainly by Staph aureus. So, Staph aureus, the cause is by Staph aureus. Okay. Now, asymptomatic patient with premature ventricular ectopies, 6-time ventricular ectopies appears, 5-time, 4-time, then reassurance, there is no treatment for ventricular ectopies. So guys, have a good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. If you like this video, put like on it, and thank you for watching my all videos. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.